Welcome. I'm Jeff Brickler, and I'm the Product Manager for CAD Talk. Today I'll be showing you the CAD Talk ERP integration with Acumatica. CAD Talk reads any engineering bill of material from any CAD, PDM, PLM system and turns it into a manufacturing bill of material in Acumatica. CAD Talk can create stock items as well as create entire bills of material, including the bill of material record and routings. We'll begin with this propeller shaft assembly. CAD Talk will read this propeller shaft assembly engineering bill of material directly from Solidworks, reading all of the metadata associated with that Solidworks file, and will create the entire bill of material in Acumatica. Let's begin. So you should now see on your screen the CAD Talk application. So the first thing I'll do, as I've already logged into Acumatica, I will load that SolidWorks file that we saw. I will browse to the location of my files, whether that's in a PDM or on a local or attached drive. I'll select the propeller shaft assembly, select Open. I will select the 22-tooth gear configuration, select OK, and CAD Talk will begin to process the engineering bill of material out of SolidWorks, including all of the attributes and properties created in the CAD model. As you can see, CAD Talk has loaded the design directly from SolidWorks, and there are on the screen you should see three red icons. The first icon at the top is the top level item with two subcomponents at the bottom. For the TS06302, the propeller shaft assembly, that is the parent, and it has two subcomponents, TS06303 and TS06812. You will see that I also have as a second item the Workcenter 100 operation. CAD Talk is able to dynamically determine what operations to add based upon the engineering bill of material, add those directly in this interface, and then be able to create the whole bill of material in Acumatica, including this operation. So now I will save this item in Acumatica. So what CAD Talk does is it will create those three new stock items on the stock item screen, and then we'll go to the bill of material screen where it will create all three of those items. It will create the bill of material for TS06302. It will add the Workcenter 100 operation as well as the two subcomponents. Once everything turns green, Acumatica will have a complete bill of material. So as you can see, now all items are green. CAD Talk has generated an Acumatica bill of material. So now if I go to Acumatica and I search for TS06 items, you will see that I have the TS06302 inventory ID here, as well as a BOM record, BOM 000027. I'll click on that record, and now you will see that CAD Talk has generated that 00027 BOM ID record, as well, which is the BOM, the default BOM for that propeller shaft assembly, TS06-302. On the right, on the inventory ID, down below where my cursor is, you'll see the operation ID 10 with Workcenter 100 automatically added, and the two subcomponents below, 303 and 812, and the material records. So CAD Talk was able to read the CAD engineering bill of material directly from SolidWorks and turn that into a manufacturing bill of material in Acumatica. It created stock codes and added routing steps. The value of CAD Talk comes from the reduced amount of errors that you might find in creating bills of material, as well as the speed and efficiency from going over a manual method. Thanks for attending today.